Aim to determine the unknown frequency by using CRO. Apparatus. Diagram. Formula. Procedure. Please go through the procedure before the explanation.
So this is the A5 experiment to determine the unknown frequency by using CRO, that is Cathode Ray Oscilloscope. So this is AFO, that is audio frequency oscillator, and this is the CRO, and this is a step down transformer. So we are going to connect the known frequency from the audio frequency oscillator to the CRO on the X-axis plate, and we are going to connect the step down transformer to the CRO on the Y-Y plate. So in the audio frequency oscillator, we have connected this to the channel 1 of the CRO. We have selected the sine wave, and we can set the known frequency using these keys, and we can set the exact precise frequency using this knob. Okay, we can change the amplitude of the X plate. As you can see in the CRO display that the amplitude is altered using this knob. That is the amplitude knob. As you see, using this we can change the frequency of the audio frequency oscillator, and the result are shown in the CRO screen. We have connected these wires to the second channel of the CRO. As we are using a step down transformer, there is an AC current that is flowing through the wires to the CRO. Now we gotta set the horizontal and vertical gain of the CRO to obtain the Lissajous figure of good size on the screen. As you can see, as I am changing the frequency of the AFO, there is a corresponding change in the display on the CRO. That is, we are forming a lot of weird Lissajous figures. We have set the audio frequency oscillator to 25 Hertz, and we find there is a very simple Lissajous figure formed, and we get 2 loops along the X-axis and 1 loop along the Y-axis. So we are again taking a second reading for the experiment. So now we have set the frequency to 100 Hertz, and again you can find a very simple Lissajous figure on the CRO. It has 2 loops along the Y-axis and 1 loop along the X-axis. Read and mark the frequency on the AFO and the number of loops along the X and Y axis on the CRO to find the unknown frequency of the AC current.
The observation table for the experiment with 5 different readings. Calculation. The result, the unknown frequency was found to be 45 Hz. Thank you.